Friends, today we are going to discuss about reagent chemistry. We will select the bromosuccinamide. Okay, so in short it is represented as NBS. Okay, and it is a amyl family reagent. Very less reagent is used in organic chemistry, so it is the basic moiety of this reagent, amide. Okay, so, and it is the structure of this, and in market it is basically used as a brominating agent. Means the main function of this reagent is brominating agent. At two situation is given in allylic and benzylic bromination. Okay, and here if you see the reaction is called Urls-Jaeger reaction. Okay, so the second point is it is free radical generator. Okay, and benzylic substitution, it gives the benzylic substitution we already discussed here. And the second one, brominium ion generator, it acts also a brominium ion generator. Okay, the third point is very important, it is used in oxidizing as well decarboxylation reactions. Okay, electrophilic reaction gives basically in different reaction condition. It is very strong point, it is a very important point. If you see here, means the activity of this NBS depends on the medium solvent temperature and substrate nature. Okay, so according to substrate nature it will react in that substrate. Okay, so yes, one is very important point, that why we will use NBS since bromine is available. Means bromine is available, so why we are using NBS? It is the common question. So if you suppose that in reaction medium, suppose that in this reaction is carried out. Okay, and in this is a solvent. Okay, and reaction condition is, this is the hard plate, and reaction condition is suppose that 30 or 40 degrees Celsius temperature is given here. Okay, so what happen here, if you see here, there will be, suppose that we react with bromine. This is the reactant here, this is the reactant here, and we added bromine. So instantly it will react from this molecule, and inside this it produces this structure, I mean vicinal dibromide. If you see, okay, so this one it will produce instantly. I mean reaction is very short, very less means very less reaction time it will take, means instantly it will react bromine. Okay, but in the case of NBS, and there are several drawbacks such as rapid reaction. Okay, clouding occur, means its nature is, if you open the bottle there are a lots of fume will be generated. So there in the if in the lab fume hood is used. Fume hood means it will suck all the fumes inside it. Okay, so that's why pupils which are working in the lab will be not affected by this. Okay, so that's why we neglected this. And here if you see NBS, in case of NBS it is a very slow bromine generator, and takes reaction time much more as compared to this one. Okay, so it is the question is why bromine is besides bromine NBS used. So it is the answer, means it is the common point. That's why NBS used in place of bromine. Okay, in each and every place bromine will be not used by these drawbacks. Okay, so it is the some basic point we discussed here, and in again we will also discuss some remaining the points regarding NBS. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, very important point, this one is very important point, means why bromine is used, why bromine is not used in place of NBS. And it is the very important that basically in the you can say it is largely used as a brominating agent and allylic and benzylic bromination. Means brominating agent at two situation, allylic and benzylic condition. Okay, allylic you all of you know that what is allylic position, what is, so suppose that this one, so like that. Okay, and benzylic position is this one. Okay, so like that. Okay, so it is the common basic and important point we will discuss here, and in the second video we will discuss the remaining part of it. Okay, so thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you are unable to understand any point, then write down the comments in your in the below comment box. We will solve your comments. Okay, thank you friends.